Who's going to switch on the pump?
You're both volunteers on the Canal project. Tell me what this means and how you get involved as well.
That's Sam from Cotswold Canals Update for his drone, which is up there somewhere.
The works have been going on down here at Albury. It's a huge piece of work over the last 18 months. Practically all done by volunteers with a little bit of support from what Rob will talk about. And then the plan is today is that we're actually going to start filling the pound for the first time. So Rob, over to you.
Okay, thanks very much. Thank you all for coming. As Chris said, my name's Rob Benson. I'm Chief Engineer for Cotswold Canals Connected and Cotswold Canals Trust. I have the privilege of working on the project. I'm a 35-year hardened contractor by background, not totally, but working on a project like this for me 2 years in has been so rewarding, I can't tell you. I think the biggest buzz for me is what we do with volunteers. And so we're taking something that's abandoned and repurposing it and reinstating it for community use. And I'm sure you've heard all about that today. The bit that I get excited about is the engineering, so just bear with me until we get going. Effectively, the canal originally ended about here, and distance you'll see the motorway. So when they put the motorway through in 1970, I think, they effectively filled the canal in all the way right down to the motorway, and the reason that they did that was to stop flooding. Front of the end of John Roberts block, when they did the diversion brought through in the 70s to divert the water away. Everyone ready? Let's have a countdown from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!